Right, hi there. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Aldi Workzone 12V cordless drill, which is £29.99. I brought this on the website, Aldi's website, and I got it delivered next day for £3.95. Okay, so make sure you watch until the end of this video because I've actually purchased one of the largest tools that I've ever purchased from Aldi's. Here it is. It comes in this case, which is quite nice, but I don't know how long I'll keep hold of that. It'll probably be in the bin in a few weeks' time. I'm not really into cases for individual tools, really. So in the case you get the user manual, and on the back here it says that you can buy spare batteries, which is handy because this takes the same batteries as the Aldi's oscillating multi-tool, and this is actually a really good tool. I've been using this quite a lot for sanding and cutting and whatever else, and it's actually really good. And yeah, I definitely recommend buying one of these. Mine's been brilliant so far. So enough of that. Anyway, yep, manual. There is a charger here. You get 6 drill bits of various sizes. You also get some screwdriver bits, and you also get a bit holder. Now to the drill itself, just get those bits out of the way. So overall it looks quite nice. It's got this over moulded TPE rubbery stuff for the grip, and it's quite nice. It's got a 2-speed gearbox there. First gear is 0 to 400, second gear is 0 to 1300 RPM. In the front here we've got a little LED light. On the side here we've got the battery level indicator, so you can see at the moment it's at full charge. And there's the little LED. It's reasonably bright. It's probably bright enough, you know, probably get you by if you're inside a cupboard or something. Also on this you can actually pull the chuck off, and then it's just a screwdriver, and you can put your bits directly in here. And just use it as a screwdriver, and then obviously you've got your torque settings on the outside there. And just put that back on. As your clutch for the torque settings. But, is there anything else I haven't looked at? Well, the battery's in the bottom here, and as I said, it's the same as the 12V oscillating multi-tool. The only difference is this one here is a 1500 milliamp battery, and the one in the oscillating tool is a 2000 milliamp battery. So shall we see this thing in action, see if it can put any screws in? Yep, let's get to it. Okay, so let's check out how long a screw that it will drive in. So I'm going to start off with this 3cm screw here. And this is a block of chipboard. Yeah, I'll easily stick that in. And I've got another one here which is 4cm long. Yeah, the screwdriver bits that you get with it, they are not very good at all. That's chewed to hell. Yeah, I'll just get a better bit. Right, I've got one of my bits. These are cheap, but they're quite hard. Yeah, it chewed the head of the screw as well, so. But it done it. So this one is a 55 or a 5.5cm screw. Yeah, it's got one of those cutout features on it. When the amperage gets too high, which is being drawn from the battery, it cuts out for a second. But it does start up straight away, so it's really for light work for sure. And a comparison to like with, I mean, I've got my DeWalt here. This will drill that straight in and it won't cut out. See, the DeWalt will just keep going. Still done the job, so is it hot? No, it's not hot or anything. The battery is slightly warm. Yeah, that is quite a big screw and it's straight into a block of wood which has got no pilot hole, so you know, I don't know how many it would be able to drill of those, that might be another video. Overall, screwdrivering, reasonably good. Okay, so into the drilling, it comes with 6 drills like I said. There's no point going for the smallest one, so we'll just go for the largest one. Obviously it's going to drill. I've got some bigger drill bits that I can put in here. No problem, so I'll just get some bigger drill bits, and when I say bigger drill bits I mean bigger drill bits. Okay, so I've got a rather large drill bit here with a reduced shank, so it's a 13mm drill. The maximum capacity is a 10mm, but with the reduced shank obviously we can stick a slightly larger one in there. This isn't particularly sharp if I remember rightly. It needs sharpening again. And it went all the way through, so yeah, it's a pretty powerful drill, and it will definitely drill a 13mm hole. Do I have a bigger drill bit? I do have a bigger drill bit, so I have a 16mm reduced shank here, which is basically brand new actually. Let's see if it will. And we're through, so it definitely will do the job. It'll definitely drill a 16mm hole. Right, okay, so actually I have got a bigger drill bit. I've got a 35mm Forstner bit. Obviously we're not going to go all the way through with this, but I will go as deep as the Forstner bit is. Well, there we go. Not too bad at all, and it didn't stop working. I would have used this 25mm drill bit, but it's got a 13mm shank on it, so I can't. Right, okay, so that's it with the testing. So this isn't really a review, because you can't really review a tool in 10 minutes, can you? I mean, I've only just got it. Say 3 months down the line, I'm going to start using this as my main drill from now on. And say 3 months down the line, I will do a review of it. So overall, what do I think of it at the moment? Do I think it's worth buying? And what do I think of the quality of it? Well, overall, the build quality and the finish is actually really good. I mean, to be honest, it looks really nice. It's got this TPE overmoulding, grippy stuff, which is actually quite nice. It's not quite so nice as the DeWalt. This is a lot softer on the DeWalt. This is a bit harder. I don't know how that'll wear, I'm not sure, haven't got a clue. I mean, I've had cheap ones before and they seem to wear okay, you know. But yeah, I mean, in some respects this is better build quality than the DeWalt, to be absolutely honest with you. I mean, there's no moving up the top here or anything, unlike my DeWalt. So here's the impact driver, and here's the gearbox, metal gearbox housing, and I don't know if you can see this, you can actually move it backwards and forwards. Also the bit on the front here where the lights are moves, and it doesn't really inspire much confidence when you buy something like that. I mean, I've had this a year and a half. I did actually originally, for that, because of that, now I actually took them back and got replacements because I thought they were faulty, but apparently no. I know other people who've got this impact driver and it's the same on that, so obviously that's how it's meant to be. But I've had these over a year and a half now, this here, and also the drill, and I use these nearly every day and they're still working fine, so yep. But yeah, like I say, the only play is in this chuck, really. I don't know if you can see there's a bit of play in that chuck, but overall, I mean, you're going to be drilling freehand holes, so they're not going to be perfect anyway. Even the DeWalt tools, they're not really meant to be heavy duty, they're just lightweight tools. Although the DeWalt didn't stall out in the testing, so. But this does pretty well, really, for what it is, I think. And if I didn't have these two here, would I buy another one of these? Yeah, I'd probably go out tomorrow and buy another one, actually. Yeah, it's always handy to have two anyway. One for drilling and one for driving screws. Yeah, overall, I would say go buy it. It's got 3-year warranty with it, you know. If it breaks, take it back. Okay, so what is the biggest tool I've ever bought from Aldi's? Well, it's the portable bandsaw with stand. So make sure you subscribe, and then you'll get a notification of when I put the next video up of the portable bandsaw. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, please comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.